the knowledge library present. Amazing, important and informative MCQs on Indian mythology. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
The first question is, in Mahabharat, Devarta was the other name of A. Arjun, B. Bhishma, C. Krishna or D. Balram. The correct answer is option B. Bhishma. The next question is, how many incarnations of Vishnu appeared in Satya or Krita Yuga from his Dashavatar? A. 3, B. 2, C. 5 or D. 4. The correct answer is option D. 4. The next question is, which one is the first avatar of Lord Vishnu from his Dash avatar? A. Matsya, B. Kurma, C. Vara or D. Narasimha. The correct answer is option A. Matsya. The next question is, in the Narasimha avatar, Lord Vishnu killed A. Hiranyakashipu, B. Bali, C. Ravan or D. Mayasura. The correct answer is option A. Hiranyakashipu. The next question is, Sati, wife of Lord Shiva, was the daughter of A. Kubera, B. Daksh Prajapati, C. Himavan or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Daksh Prajapati. The next question is, who wrote down the epic Mahabharat while Vyasa was dictating? A. Narad, B. Vishwakarma, C. Ganesh or D. Shiv. The correct answer is option C. Ganesh. The next question is, who brought the river goddess Ganga to earth from the heavens? A. Sri Ram, B. Krishna, C. Bhagirathi or D. Raja Harishchandra. The correct answer is option C. Bhagirath. The next question is, in which Yug Krishna was born? A. Satya Yug, B. Treta Yug, C. Dwapara Yug or D. Kali Yug. The correct answer is option C. Dwapara Yug. The next question is, what is the final incarnation of Lord Vishnu in his Dash avatar? A. Kurma, B. Krishna, C. Parshuram or D. Kalki. The correct answer is option D. Kalki. The next question is, for how many days was the battle of Kurukshetra fought? A. 12, B. 18, C. 15 or D. 8. The correct answer is option B. 18. The next question is, what is the name of Lord Krishna's conch shell? A. Panchjanya, B. Pondra, C. Devdatta or D. Anant Vijay. The correct answer is option A. Panchjanya. The next question is, what was the real name of Valmiki, the writer of Ramayana? A. Basuki, B. Devabrata, C. Ratnakar or D. Parth. The correct answer is option C. Ratnakar. The next question is, who is known as the father of Sita? A. Yayati, B. Raja Dashrath, C. Raja Janak or D. Manu. The correct answer is option C. Raja Janak. The next question is, From which forest Sita was abducted by the Ravan? A. Ashok Vatika, B. Kamyaka forest, C. Dandaka forest, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Dandaka forest. The next question is, what was the name of Arjun in the 13th year of his exile at King Virata's kingdom? A. Uttara, B. Brinhala, C. Urvashi, or D. Satyavati. The correct answer is option B. Brinhala. The next question is, who is known as the mother of King Dhritarashtra? A. Amba, B. Ambika, C. Ambalika, or D. Satyavati. The correct answer is option B. Ambika. The next question is, King of Manipur Babru was the son of A. Vidur, B. Krishna, C. Bhim, or D. Arjun. The correct answer is option D. Arjun. The next question is, who has killed the demon Bakasur? A. Arjun, B. Bhim, C. Sri Ram, or D. Krishna. The correct answer is option B. Bhim. The next question is, who is known as the mother of Ravan? A. Shurpanakha, B. Mandodari, C. Kekshi, or D. Diti. The correct answer is option C. Keksi. The next question is, which one is the feminine form of Lord Vishnu helping Devas to retain their immortality? A. Aditi, B. Mohini, C. Lakshmi, or D. Padma. The correct answer is option B. Mohini. The next question is, what is the name of the daughter of King Dashrath and Kaushalya? A. Varshini, B. Shanta, C. Aditi, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Santa. The next question is, what is the name of the only sister of 100 Kaurav brothers? A. Ulupi, B. Uttara, C. Dusala, or D. Hidimba. The correct answer is option C. Dusala. The next question is, from which area Duryodhan's maternal uncle Shakuni belongs to? A. Kamboj, B. Panchal, C. Prayag Jyotishpur, or D. Gandhar. The correct answer is option D. Gandhar. The next question is, who is known as the father of goddess Parvati? A. Daksh Prajapati, B. Brahma, C. Himavat, D. Parsuram. The correct answer is option C. Himvat. The next question is, how many children was born to Devaki and Vasudev before Krishna's birth? A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, or D. 8. The correct answer is option C. 7. The next question is, according to Hindu mythology, who invented the musical instrument Veena? A. Vishnu, B. Narad, C. Saraswati, or D. Krishna. The correct answer is option B. Narad. The next question is, who is known as the Lord of Wealth? A. Lakshmi, B. Shiv, C. Kuber, or D. Brahma. The correct answer is option A, Lakshmi. The next question is, who narrates the action of Kurukshetra to Dhritarashtra live during the battle? A. Vidur, B. Sanjay, C. Ganesh, or D. Kumti? The correct answer is option B, Sanjay. The next question is, which one of the below is not immortal according to Hindu mythology? A. Parshuram, B. Bali, C. Hanuman, or D. Valmiki? The correct answer is option D, Valmiki. The next question is, who gifted the Shiv Dhanush to King Janak broken by Lord Ram at Sita Swayamvar? A. Shiv, B. Vishnu, C. Parshuram, or D. Nandi? The correct answer is option C, Parshuram. The next question is, what is the name of the sister of Krishna and Balram? A. Rukmini, B. Subhadra, C. Satyabhama, or D. Chitrangada? The correct answer is option B, Subhadra. The next question is, who is known as the mother of King Bharat? A. Menka, B. Ganga, C. Shakuntala, or D. Parvati? The correct answer is option C, Shakuntala. The next question is, on which day of Kurukshetra war Bhishma was put on deathbed of arrows by Arjun? A. 5th day, B. 8th day, C. 10th day, or D. 16th day? The correct answer is option C, 10th day. The next question is, Vrishaketu is the son of A. Bhima, B. Arjun, C. Karna, or D. Kripacharya? The correct answer is option C, Karna. The next question is, the lord of the dance Nataraj is a depiction of the god A. Vishnu, B. Shiva, C. Brahma, or D. Krishna? The correct answer is option B, Shiva. The next question is, what is the vehicle of Lord Ganesha? A. Elephant, B. Owl, C. Swan, or D. Mouse? The correct answer is option D, mouse. The next question is, who broke the teeth of Lord Ganesha? A. Kubera, B. Indra, C. Parshuram, or D. Shiva? The correct answer is option C, Parshuram. The next question is, in Ramayana, who was Lakshman's mother? A. Sumitra, B. Urmila, C. Kekai, or D. Kunti? The correct answer is option A, Sumitra. The next question is, who informed Hanuman that Sita was taken to Lanka by Ravan? A. Jatayu, B. Bali, C. Sampati, or D. Vibhishan? The correct answer is option C, Sampati. The next question is, Samba was the son of Krishna and A. Rukmini, B. Kalindi, C. Satyabhama, or D. Jambati? The correct answer is option D, Jambati. The next question is, who built the palace for Pandavas at Khanda Pravastha? A. Krishna, B. Balram, C. Vishwakarma, or D. Maya? The correct answer is option D. Maya. The next question is, who is the wife of god Indra? A. Shachi, B. Mandodari, C. Satyabhama, or D. Rati? The correct answer is option A. Shachi. The next question is, who assuming the form of a golden deer to help Ravan to kidnap Sita? A. Subahu, B. Meghanath, C. Marich, or D. Dushahana? The correct answer is option C. Marich. The next question is, in Ramayana, Meghanath is the other name of A. Ravan, B. Indrajit, C. Vibhishan, or D. Hanuman? The correct answer is option B. Indrajit. The next question is, how many heads does Lord Brahma have? A. 1, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 5? The correct answer is option C. 4. The next question is, according to Mahabharata, Ganga was the wife of A. Vichitravarya, B. Shantanu, C. Chitrangada, or D. Vishwamitra? The correct answer is option B. Shantanu. The next question is, who swallowed the poison known as halala produced during Samudra Manthan? A. Vishnu, B. Indra, C. Shiva, or D. Parvati? The correct answer is option C. Shiva. The next question is, according to Hindu mythology, who is the father of Shani? A. Shiva, B. Pavan, C. Chandra, or D. Surya? The correct answer is option D. Surya. The next question is, the king of Lanka, Ravan, is also known as A. Vasuki, B. Dashanana, C. Meghnath, or D. Mayasura? The correct answer is option B. Dashana. The next question is, which one is the last Kand of the epic Ramayana? A. Uttarakand, B. Yuddha Kand, C. Sundara Kand, or D. Aranya Kand? The correct answer is option A. Uttarakand. The next question is, what was the original name of the Mahabharata? A. Katha Samhita, B. Rajtarangani, C. Jai Samhita, or D. Bharat Katha? The correct answer is option C. Jai Samhita. The next question is, Upanishads are books on A. Religion, B. Yoga, C. Law, or D. Philosophy? The correct answer is option D. Philosophy. The next question is, the word Buddha means A. anything beyond God, B. soul after death, C. the enlightened one, or D. the ultimate path of moksha? The correct answer is option C. the enlightened one. The next question is, total number of sons of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi are A. 5, B. 8, C. 12, or D. 18? The correct answer is option D. 18. The next question is, Which one is the third incarnation of Lord Vishnu? A. Varaha, B. Vamana, C. Parshuram, or D. Matsya? The correct answer is option A. Varaha. The next question is, who is the half brother of Kuber? A. Ram, B. Ravan, C. Krishna, or D. Parshuram? The correct answer is option B. Ravan. The next question is, who is the wife of Lord Brahma? A. Gayatri, B. Lakshmi, C. Saraswati, or D. Parvati? The correct answer is option C. Saraswati. The next question is, Rakhi festival is celebrated during the full moon day of the dash month. A. Chaitra, B. Magha, C. Kartika, or D. Shravan? The correct answer is option D. Shravan. The next question is, apart from Arjuna, who was the other person to listen to Gita as it was being instructed by Krishna during war? A. Vidura, B. Bhishma, C. Sanjaya, or D. Yudhishthira? The correct answer is option C. Sanjaya. The next question is, according to Rigved, on the bank of which river the battle of the 10 kings were fought? A. Ganga, B. Saraswati, C. Parusni, or D. Bhavani? The correct answer is option C. Parusni. The next question is, on which river bank is Ayodhya situated? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Gomti, or D. Saryu? The correct answer is option D. Saryu. The next question is, which Veda contains cure of disease? A. Samaveda, B. Atharva Veda, C. Rig Veda, or D. Yajur Veda? The correct answer is option B. Atharva Veda. The next question is, the story of Krishna Vasudev is the principal subject of A. Bhagavad Puran, B. Shiv Puran, C. Agni Puran, or D. Brahma Puran? The correct answer is option A. Bhagavad Puran. The next question is, which Vedic god goddess was known as Purandar? A. Indra, B. Varun, C. Agni, or D. Aditi? The correct answer is option A. Indra. The next question is, Santhara is a ritual of fasting to death amongst A. Buddhist, B. Jains, C. Hindu, or D. Islam? The correct answer is option A. Buddhist. The next question is, in which Veda the battle of the 10 kings is mentioned? A. Upanishads, B. Atharva Veda, C. Rig Veda, or D. Yajur Veda? The correct answer is option C. Rig Veda. The next question is, in the epic Ramayana, which bird tried to stop Ravan from carrying Sita? A. Vibhishan, B. Jatayu, C. Garuda, or D. Bhulinga Veda? The correct answer is option B. Jatayu. The next question is, Lord Ram belonged to which of the following era or yug? A. Dwapara, B. Treta Yuga, C. Satyuga, or D. None of them? The correct answer is option B. Treta Yuga. The next question is, who among the following is the consort of Lord Vishnu? A. Durga, B. Lakshmi, C. Uma, or D. Kali? The correct answer is option B. Lakshmi. The next question is, according to Hindu mythology, King Kansa was the uncle of A. Ram, B. Arjun, C. Krishna, or D. Duryodhan? The correct answer is option C. Krishna. The next question is, in Ramayana, during the 14 years of Ram's exile, Bharat did not rule from Ayodhya. What was his temporary capital? A. Kalinga, B. Nandigram, C. Mathura, or D. Varanasi? The correct answer is option B. Nandigram. The next question is, according to Hindu mythology, who among the following is considered as the creator of the universe? A. Shiva, B. Indra, C. Vishnu, or D. Brahma? The correct answer is option D. Brahma. The next question is, name the vehicle of Ravan in which he could fly to any destination. A. Aksharatham, B. Flying horse, C. Pushpaka Viman, or D. Garuda? The correct answer is option C. Pushpaka Viman. The next question is, which form did Lord Vishnu assume to provide Amrit or nectar to the gods or devas? A. Krishna Avatar, B. Varaha Avatar, C. Matsya Avatar, or D. Kurma Avatar? The correct answer is option D. Kurma Avatar.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.